idea.
It's zero.
Oh, both of them?
Zero. You use this equation.
Show that you chewed them.
This side equation is zero, so this side also is zero.
Oh shit! Turned a little red there, buddy. Oh, hot.
You already swallowed it?
Hey, he said
Did it even bother you?
Number two, what is meant by the first
it's bothering me.
That's the angle at which
That shit is on fire.
that's the angle at which the refracted ray.
You will never get this.
You'll
never get this.
Again, the refracted ray.
Oh, this is a bad idea.
Is parallel to the boundary ray. So that's critical angle.
Answer it.
It's burning like hell.
Let me have one. Let me have one. Are you putting these on MySpace or something?
They're all on YouTube.
Here, blow at me, blow at me, blow at me.
After you already swallowed
Okay,
it.
do it again. You're blowing down here. Go.
Shit, I can't
Go, blow up here, but...
From the values of the index of refraction.
There you go.
53
What are you doing?
I was smelling it. See how strong
My ears are hurting.
That's what I'm saying.
It hurts after you swallow it?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
And,
Look how red his face is.
Oh shit.
He's crying.
Don't like
it.
this.
Came up with 53 degrees.
Watch.
53 degrees. Calculated.
You red, dude.
Look at
Alright,
his
I need some water.
Don't give
me the water.
Just give me the water.
You called me a dick.
Water doesn't help. Capsaicin is not water soluble.
What?
Capsaicin, which is a heat-causing agent in peppers, is not water soluble.
Yeah, it doesn't help very much. I'll tell you that.
That's why milk is good. Use milk as a phosphoprotein called capsaicin. That's what counteracts it. Been doing research.
When you leave the water in there, it gets a little bit better. Shit hurts.
Let me try one. Put some water in there for me.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. Anything you want to say before it's over?